Howdy everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello. I did a glittered gradient cut crease, and honestly you guys, I'm not a fan of it. I'm still learning how to work with gradients with glitters, but this was inspired by B. Marie on Instagram, and since I filmed it I decided I was going to share it with you guys, so maybe one of y'all will like it. But anyway, here it is and I hope y'all like it. I like using my finger to pick up these pigments, but of course it's not as precise, but since I'm using glitter over it, it's just really just working as a base. Some of the pigment did get smeared here, so in order to correct it I just go back in with the pencil brush, and I believed I used a purple shade here to just redefine that whole area, but I mean you can use the black or just any of the darker shades just to kind of bring the depth back into the crease. I wanted that pink shade to stand out, so I did have to go back into this palette and use this bright red. I wanted a base that was just a little more vibrant, so I did have to change it up a little, and that's what I did here. I don't like to put my glitter over my liner because glitter gets really chunky, and then when you try to put liner over it, it gets really uneven. So to keep everything really neat, I go ahead and do the liner first, then I'll do the glitter, and then I'll come back and touch up the liner afterwards. I wanted my liner to blend into my crease, so I only carried it out to the end of the actual cut crease, and then take black eyeshadow on a small defined brush and blend it into the liner and back into the crease, so it all just kind of effortlessly blends together. On a flat brush, I am laying the glue down first, and I have to move quickly because it dries rather fast, and then I go over it with the glitter, and I really just try to keep the glitter off of the liner that I already have on, but you can touch it up at the end if you need to. I'm adding a little more glue now, and then I go back in with the pink glitter and try to merge the two glitters together and not really have any harsh lines, so I carry the pink in a little over the silver glitter I had already put down. And my favorite part, now you add some bomb lashes to complete the look. This is the completed look, so I hope someone out there likes this look, unlike myself and my rubbed off brow that I touch for messing with this crazy pink hair. But anyway, you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope y'all catch me in the next one. I'll see y'all.